You may have heard that this old coins is now worth a fortune. And this ordinary-looking copper coin, the 1835 1/4 anna, is one of those pieces that has sparked curiosity and speculation among collectors and history lovers alike. Some claim this coin could fetch millions of dollars or lakhs of rupees. But what's the truth behind these rumors? Is it really rare, or just a forgotten piece of history? Stay with us till the very end, because in this video, we'll explore everything about this coin, from its design and history to its real-world value in today's market. You might be surprised by what we uncover. Let's begin with what we can see. On one side of the coin, the reverse, are the words 1/4 anna, engraved boldly in capital letters. These are surrounded by an elegant laurel wreath, a symbol often associated with honor and victory. Though the coin may appear worn due to age and circulation, the text still speaks to the pride of the issuing authority. Flip it over to the Obverse and things get even more interesting. Here, you'll find the majestic coat of arms of the East India Company. Two regal lions stand tall on either side of a shield. The shield features the cross of St. George, and above it rests a knight's helmet with a waving flag. This coat of arms was not just decorative, it was symbolic. It represented the might and influence of the East India Company, which was more powerful than most nations at the time. At the bottom of the coin, you'll see the date clearly marked, 1835. A simple number, but one that carries immense historical weight. Let's know the historical context. To understand the true value of this coin, we must step back in time. The year 1835 was a turning point in Indian coinage. Until this time, India had no single currency system. Different regions, such as Bombay, Madras, and Bengal, had their own coinage systems and designs. This caused confusion, trade complications, and inconsistencies in values. That's when the East India Company stepped in and introduced a unified coinage system across all the regions it controlled. The 1/4 anna was part of this revolutionary monetary reform. It wasn't just currency, it was a symbol of centralization and control. This coin was made during the era when the East India Company essentially functioned as a government in itself. With its own military, navy, and taxation systems, the company had immense power over the Indian subcontinent. It wasn't until 1858, after the Indian Rebellion of 1857, that the British Crown took direct control from the company. So, this coin comes from a time before the British Raj, when a private company governed a massive population and economy. That's what makes it even more fascinating. Let's get into the technical details. Material: copper. Weight: approximately 4.8 grams. Diameter: around 22 millimeters. Shape: round. Edge: plain. The coin feels solid in the hand. It was made to last. Despite being over 190 years old, many of these coins still survive today, thanks to their robust construction. However, like any old copper coin, these are susceptible to oxidation, which can cause darkening or green spots. That's why some coins appear darker, while others are better preserved depending on how they were stored. Let's discuss about its real worth. Now let's talk money. What is the actual worth of the 1835 1/4 anna coin? Despite the rumors you may have heard about people getting lakhs or even millions for old coins, the truth is a little different. Yes, rare coins can fetch high prices, but only under certain conditions. Heavy checkmark: if the coin is heavily worn or corroded, like many found in general circulation, it might be worth $1 to $5 or around 100 Indian rupees to 500 Indian rupees INR. Heavy checkmark: if the coin is in fine to very fine condition, with visible details and minimal damage, it can be worth $10 to $30. Heavy checkmark: an extremely fine or uncirculated specimen, with clear markings and original luster, might go for $50 to even $100 or more, especially to a serious collector. Heavy checkmark: and finally, if there are errors or rare mint marks, the coin can be worth even more at auctions, but such pieces are very uncommon. Don't be fooled by online rumors. While this coin is historically valuable and collectible, it's not likely to make you rich, unless it's a rare mint or in top condition. The question is why collectors want it. So if it's not a $1 million coin, why is it still sought after? Because this coin isn't just about money, it's about history. It represents a critical chapter in India's colonial and economic past. For numismatists, people who study or collect coins, The 1835 quarter anna is often one of the foundation pieces in their East India collection. Many coin collectors aim to build full sets by year or mint. The 1835 issue was minted in large quantities but has several varieties. For example, some feature small differences in the shield design or leaf details. Identifying these can be a fun challenge for enthusiasts. Holding a coin like this is like holding a piece of time, something that has witnessed the lives, trades, and hands of people nearly 2 centuries ago. Let's know the preservation tips. If you have this coin, or plan to get one, here are some tips to preserve its value. Small orange diamond: never clean it with harsh chemicals or scrub it with abrasive tools. Cleaning can lower the value dramatically. Small orange diamond: store the coin in a dry, airtight coin holder or pouch. Humidity is the enemy of copper. Small orange diamond: handle it with cotton gloves or hold by the edges, never directly with your fingers. Small orange diamond: if you suspect your coin is rare or special, get it graded by a reputable grading service like NGC or PCGS. So, what's the final verdict? The 1835 1/4 anna might not turn you into a millionaire overnight, but it remains a valuable artifact of India's past. With its striking design, historical significance, and collectible nature, it's a coin that continues to fascinate collectors around the world. If you own one, treasure it. And if you're lucky enough to find one in great condition or with a rare error, it might just fetch you more than you expected. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Drop a comment below and tell us if you have this coin, or if there's another one you'd like us to feature next. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy collecting!